Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix registry errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix it. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for Command Prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in the block window, Command Prompt, type sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. So the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair any system corrupt files, fix system corrupted files, and check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it because there is no specific duration for the process. And once this is 100% completed, just simply close out of here. Go to the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Now here you need to type this command dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. So this process will repair your Windows image, and while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it. And here is an additional tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, just simply press or continuously press the space key on your keyboard until the process will be successful or will continue. And once it has been done, you simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Click on reset PC. But before you can go on with this process, make sure to back up everything on your Windows. Back up all your personal files, apps, and settings. Click on remove everything. And here you have to click on cloud download, and this will reset your PC, and after that you just need to sign in again into your account, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.